Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can import your content from your previous website to Squarespace. So let's dive into it. First you need to click on settings on the left panel and then scroll down to advanced. Here you can see an import export button, click on it and then you need to click import. Here you can see three options: WordPress, Tumblr and Blogger. Choose the one which you need to import from. For example, I need to import from WordPress, so I will click on it. And here you need to enter your WordPress URL, your login and password. And after that, click on begin import. And your website will be imported to Squarespace. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.